so it's time to make the rear connections or the underside connections on the turret board. Now, in the wiring kit, there's this solid core cable which has been provided, which I assume is to do these connections. Again, no instructions, so we don't really know. However, I've got to say that I find the cable, although it probably is rated okay, I find it a bit too insubstantial. So I tend to use the same cable but as a twisted pair, and I'll use put these into the eyelets. So 2 bits of wire going into each eyelet. Now the only issue with this is that on one connection, which is this one I believe, there are 3 connections going in there, so that one will be a bit tight, so we may have to not bother with a twisted pair on that one, but otherwise I think it's going to be the twisted pair that I'm using here. Twist it over, leaving a bit of exposed wire on the top that can be seen. So the first connection we're making is from here, which is going then to here. Doing the red wires first, then I'll carry on and do the blacks. Not happy about that one, it's too short. Let's get rid of that. Right, so that's all the underboard connections made. So what we'll do now is we'll flip it over. As you can see, I've already made a bit of bus there, and I'll get the multimeter and check on the top. We've got continuity where we should have continuity. Right, so the first one is from there to there. Okay. And then the next one is from here. And that goes across 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then from there we go across to here. And also to here. And finally to here. Okay. And on the red side we have from here down to here, up to here, and then from here over to here. Check we've got no leaks. Okay, sounds like a good one. Right, now we can start with populating the board, although I still haven't got the one capacitor that I'm missing, but there's plenty to do before that arrives.